Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mike Adedapo from Leading Web Design. So in this channel, you will learn how to build a website, different type of website. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to build a nice and amazing website. And this website, it comprises of Forex trading website, crypto investment website, and naturally investment website also, and a copy trade website in one stuff, in one package. So guys, let me show you what I mean. So this is the website. This is, can you see now, this is the live chart. You can see a live charting of, and you can analyze the market from here. And then these are things. This is also a current price of both crypto and forex and indices and the like. So and we have it very nice. And this is coin market cap, the price, my live price market, market price rather. And then we have a lot of things. So I'm going to be teaching you how you could build all of this in less than a couple of minutes. So are you ready? Let's jump into the video tutorial without wasting much of our time. So guys, all we have to do, we're going to be building from scratch. So let me create a subdomain I'm going to be using. So I'm going to scroll out to my file manager. I'm going to create a subfolder where I'll be using to to build all these things here. So I'm going to come here, click on okay, let me just click on this guy. Okay, let me click on this guy, and I'm going to create a sorry, let me just click on this guy. So I'm going to be creating a subfolder called Forex. Sorry, folder. I'm going to call it Forex. So this is what I'm going to call it. Let me copy this name. Now we need it. So let me keep this name somewhere. So let me just open a new one here. Forex is there, okay. Now this is Forex. This is Forex folder. Now in this folder, this is where I'm going to upload my file, my script. So click on upload. I'm going to select the file. This is it, Algo Trading. This is the name of the script, and I'm going to be sharing it with you at the end of this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to get it. So this is it. I'm going to click on open, and I'm going to allow it to load. So there are two things I can do now. I can decide to go and create my my database and the like, and I can decide to wait for it till it load. So anyhow you want to do it. So guys, let's go create our database. So I'm going to come here, go to my database here, database leader, and I'm going to call it a name. What name can we call this? What name? I'm going to call it Jesus Forex. Control C. Next step. I'm going to paste it here again. So I'm going to come here to generate a password. Copy this password. Come here. Paste the password there. Come back here. Click on this. Click on use. Scroll down. Click on create user. Check what you are still uploading. Can you see this is done? Or let's just wait and continue. No. Copy your user and this. Copy these two things, please. Just follow me. Paste. Click on all privilege. This. Click on it. Scroll down. Click on next step. We have done with it now. Just come here inside the search bar. Click on PHP admin. This is it. PHP admin. So this is where we want to upload our SQL file, which is the database file. So I'm going to wait. So this is the one we just created now. Can you see Jesus Forex? Click on it. And then click on import. So I'm also going to be giving you the SQL folder also. So once you click on import, click on choose file. Once you click on choose file, click on agro trade database. This is it. Click on it. and click on open. Scroll down, click on import. And you can wait for it to load. There, it has imported successfully. You don't have anything to do again here again. So let's come back to this guy. This guy has also loaded successfully, right? So click on go back. Now this is the trade. Now the first thing is that this script, when you extract it, you're going to sit in a new folder. Let me show you what I mean. Click on it and extract. And click on yeah, extract. Can you see it now? Now the first thing I want to do now is that if I refresh now, can you see I have two? I have this one, I have this one. I'm going to delete this one. I don't want it again. So I'm going to come inside this algo trade. Double click on it. Double click on it. You have all of these things. This is the main script again. So I'm going to move all of them outside. Select all and move. I want to move them to my main website. So I'm going to delete all these things. Yeah, and move them to my main website. So I will need to click on back. Now, if you see now here now we have the PDF guide, how to add your live chart, copy trade, how it works and everything, and your database. But we have already done that. So now this is my script. I don't need this folder again. I'm going to delete it again. Just delete this folder. I don't need it again. So I will now extract this my script. Now this is the main script. Now we extract it again. Can you see? Don't forget, this is the one you're going to click on. Extract it. Click on extract. So wait for it to load for you. So at any point you are having issue, maybe you don't know how to go about it, or you don't know how to do any of it, just click on that PDF. I'm going to show you the PDF. So it's going to guide you a lot. So can you see now it has actually been extracted successfully. So click on close. Now if you reload, can you see it? Now this is the script we just did. Delete it. I don't want it again. So after you delete it, in case you are having issue, you can open this guide. Just view it so that it's going to guide you on how to go about it basically. So now this is the guide. You might use this guide. So you see. But then since I'm not, I know what to do about all of them, so I don't really bother. I don't need to bother about that. I'm just sharing with you. So now the next thing you need to do now is go look for your .env file. This is it. Can you see? In case you can't see your .env file here, come to your setting here, click on Home Directory, click on Show Hidden File, and once you save it, it will show your .env file. So, but then since we have it here, I'm going to edit. And then there are some things we need to do on time. One of the first things we need to do now is, number one, we need to change the name of our website link. And the name of the name is now, let me call this one deleting business training, or deleting trading. Deleting trading. So what is the link? So you know I told you able to copy this link here. So I'm going to copy this link. Just come here, Ctrl C, come here, put it here, /Forex, yeah. Now what do you want to do now? This is a database name, database username, and database password. So let's do that. We have the password, we have them here. Your database name and your user are the same. Copy them. I'm going to come here, Ctrl V, come here again, Ctrl V, and come back to your password. Copy this. Sure the password you're copying is It's correct. Control C, come back here, you paste it. The next thing you do now is to do what? Is to save. So once you save, just copy this. This is a website link. Control C. Now I'm going to paste it here, and let's see it. So can you see, guys, our sites come up instantly. So what do we need to do right away? So let me close out of this one. I want to log into the backend and do some changes, change my word, change my logo. You understand? I'm going to copy this. So now I'm going to paste the link here for my backend. Now if you look at this place, this PDF, the PDF, if you scroll down, the PDF said if you want to log into your backend, it is this is the admin login, blah blah. So just come here sometime. I can just copy this in this PDF and paste it here. Control Z, sorry. Admin login slash validate underscore login. Let me check very well so I won't make the mistake. Okay, validate underscore admin. Okay, so and enter. So the next thing you need to do now is to put in your username and your password, and obviously this is it. The username is admin@admin.com. The password is admin123. And in case you can't find it here, because I've logged in before and I've saved this password, that's why it's showing it. But in case you can't find it, just come here in the PDF here. This is the username, this is the password. Make sure you change it once you log in, please. It is very, very important. If not, I'm not responsible for it. So just log in. So I'm going to wait for it. Now if you want to change the password, this is where you can come to. Come here, change your password and everything you need to change. But for the sake of this tutorial, I just want to show you something. So I'm going to show you close. I'm going to show you the setting. I'm going to set your app setting. This is the major place you need to go about. So I'm going to call the name deleting trading. I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C, and copy, paste it here, and also come here again, paste it here, and also come here again, paste it here, and also come here again, paste it here, and also come here again. Make sure you paste that same name, your brand name. Your brand name is very, very important. Paste it here. Your phone number 790-3538-2271. Year it started. I started my brand 2021. Oh no, 2020 rather. Winning rate. Let me just turn it. Winning rate means that if they will be doing this copy trading on your website, and when they want to copy trade, maybe you want the people that they will be copying their trade to be like 60%, all that kind of stuff. So you can just increase it to 80%. Now this is where you change your logo, and this is the logo we have here. So I don't have logo, but let me just pick any logo. I think I have one small logo here. Let me see. Let me use this. Let me see. Maybe it will not work. No. This cannot work. This cannot work. Let me see. Maybe I can use someone's logo. See, let me just use it like that, please. Let me just use it. Obviously, I know it can't work, but let me just use it. It can't come out the way I want it. So I'm going to click on update. So when I update, I'm going to wait for it to load. Can you see that the logo has changed here? Yeah, so just come here again, preference, change your email to admin@theleading.com or at your website.com. Leave this to dollar sign. Announcement on, weekend trade off, and if you look at most forex trading, you can't trade them in the weekend. So withdrawal enable, Google recaps off, translation on, trade mode on, KYC verification. I like it to always put it off, and then email verification, you can enable it or disable it, all depending on how you want. Google login, it all depends on how you want it. And when I'm done, click on save. So if I come back to my website here and refresh, let's see what I can get here. Yeah, this is the logo I told you about, but it wasn't really coming out the way I want it. But then let's just leave that for now. So guys, so if you scroll down, you see that most things have changed to our name and everything. And if you over on it on this place, you'll be seeing the leading web designer, the leading trading rather. Sure, you understand now. So that is basically, and once this load completely, you will see that the logo will change from this remedy we have here to this normal deleting we have here. Can you see now? Cool. And then maybe the next thing is, I think the major thing here is also your email. Your email is very, very important. So your SMTP, make sure you go for your SMTP. So that is what we enable people when they want to send email. Make sure you use SMTP and come here. I'm going to put in admin@deleting. Sure. I'm just gonna, where is it coming from? It's coming from deleting trading. Your SMTP host may.deleting.com. You can put anything there. Just make all this information are 465 are in your cPanel login details or your email. So you understand. Username. I'm gonna paste this. No, sorry. Your email, always your username, and your password. Let me just copy this. I don't know. This is just for testing sake. They are not working, but I'm just testing them so that you can see how you can go about it. It's not as if I've created that mail. Can you see it has been saved? Now let me show you something. Maybe you want to change your what's it called? Your payment gateway, payment setting. Can you see we have all these payment settings? Solana, credit card, BUSDT, USDT, bank transfer. So let's assume I want to enable. Okay, let me just assume I want to enable this now. I can just click on enable, and once I enable them, it automatically enable. So if I want to edit my payment gateway now, I can click on this place. Yeah. So when I click on this place, I can see all of them. Here, my wallet address will be here. And I can put the barcode here, the image URL, crypto, yeah, and I can click on save changes. Sure, you understand like that. So that is basically how to go about it. So, and then what else again I need to show you? Administrator. This is where you manage. You can add manager or remove or do anything. Lead. There is tasks. This is where you give some tasks. Maybe you want to create a task for people to do or them to be able to qualify for something. Signal provider. This is where you see all the signal. Loan application. This is where you see active loan and the like. Phrase, like key phrase, client phrase key and the like. This is where you see all of them. And your KYC. Yeah, this is where you see people who have done their KYC on your site. And we have email setting. This is where you set up your email. Maybe you want to send email to all of them at once, or all your user or your investor. That is where you can do all of them at once. So, and if maybe you want to do both trade investment, copy trading ahead. This is where you can also talk about copy trading plan and the like. So this is where you can copy trading plan, active trading and everything. So we also have investment. Also, this is where you talk about the investment, and this is legacy plan, active investment. This is where you can see all of them. You can search, you can create both trading. This is where you want, if you want both to be, if your audience want both to be trading for them, you can do some tweaking here from the back end, from the admin back end, so that all of these things you can see all of them. You can see your user that they are using both to trade and the stuff like that. And you can also set the both winning rate. You understand, from all this place. So manage trade, this is where you can see all the trader that you can manage withdrawal, manage deposit, and manage user and dashboard. So basically that is how to go about it. So I feel like you should know how to build this kind of site. If you have any question or you have any video tutorial you want me to create for you, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to do that for you. Please and please, this video is for educative purpose, not for any other thing. Please, I'm not being involved in any other thing that is being used for. So, and if you want to build this kind of website, if you're afraid to reach out to me, and don't forget, Jesus loves you and he has a good plan for you. Thank you very much for sticking to me, for sticking with this video to the end. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Bye. See you in my next video tutorial. In my next video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to do email flashing. Email flashing, so that you will have seen some people that used to send a fake email to get your details, all this kind of stuff. There's the way they build the site. So I will be showing you how to go about that, and so that you will not be a victim of that. So thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.